guys, it's your girl Elle, and I'm back with another video. Today it's a little bit different. I'm bringing you a hair tutorial slash hair review. The hair that I am rocking right now is the Lulutress So Much Volume 2x crochet hair. It's in 2x Kinky 4B. So yeah. I've been rocking it for maybe, today is Saturday, maybe 3 days now, and I am loving it. I'm wearing it up in a high pony right now. My hair is shaved in the back and also on the sides as well too. So, but yeah, it's a little different. So for my girls who have, you know, shaved sides or shorter hair, you know, you can do this as well too. So it's definitely great. And then for anyone who wants to do like a full head, you know, like the girl in the picture, I definitely recommend it. This hair is amazing. But usually I wear it down. I will take it down. I'm gonna take it down now. So I've had it up since yesterday. Now I can get it down. So it's just like your natural hair. So when I first, you know, did it, I was rocking it like this. Let me get it down. I love this hair, you guys. Like, it's so natural. I just add like a little mousse and maybe a little bit of water, you know, to define the coils, since it is a 4B type of texture. So I just use a little mousse, alcohol free, so it doesn't like get dried out and, you know, just looking all ratty tatty. But I do like, you know, how natural it looks, and I'm loving it. So they do have other hair textures. I talk about that later on in the video. What else about this hair? Oh, I got it at my local beauty supply store. It's only $6.99. I bought 2 packs and I only used 1 pack, and then 1 full pack, and so it comes with 2 bundles. So I used 2 full bundles out of 1 pack, and then only a few strands out of this one, and I just put all the rest back in here. But yeah, I would probably recommend for a whole head, you'll probably only have to use 2 packs, you know, if that. Just depending on how dense you want it and how full you want it. I mean, I basically have no hair, and this is almost like a full head of hair. So yeah, let's just get to the video. Please excuse the fan that's going on in the background, but I just took down my braids, and now I'm about to like line myself up, I guess, a little bit, and just clean this up like around the sides. I'm going to keep it a little bit long because I'm going to do something with that to make it blend with the hair. But yeah, and then I'm going to wash it, condition it, you know, moisturize it, and then braid it up for the base for the crochet hair. But I'm just going to pull this up into a little skeet bun. No, I'm just kidding. Just to get it out the way while I'm cutting, and just brush everything else down. So I have a little wall clippers here that I use. I'm gonna get it as low as I can with the clippers, and then I'm gonna go in with, okay, so disclaimer, I don't have like a real like shaver for my head to, you know, get it like bald, so I use a shaver, a regular ass shaver. Now I'm about to wash it. Now that I'm done with that part. And I'll be back for the braiding and boom. Okay, so now I have my hair washed, semi-dried. I'm not gonna blow dry or anything. I'm just leave it, you know, as is. But I am going to moisturize it with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydrating Leave-In Milk. You can find it at Walmart or at your local beauty supply store. I also have some Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil with tea tree oil. And then I have this Lotta Body curl defining mousse for later. All around. I am even putting it on the shorter parts too. Then I'm gonna go behind that with my castor oil or tea tree. Get a good little portion. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me hold my hand up. Okay, whatever. Yeah, but it's a good amount. And I'm just gonna rub that on like so. Detangling. There we go. So, what you need is either a clip, a comb, or whichever you prefer, or a twisty tie. And that's pretty much it. I would use braiding here to braid in there, but I'm not really feeling all that right now. So, how I'm gonna braid is I'm going to either do 1 or 2 passes in circular motion, and then within the middle I will zigzag. All right, so let's start braiding. God, I hate braiding. So as you guys can see, I have braided my hair. I did 1 circle and I did a zigzag. Let me turn around for you guys and show you the back of it. As you guys can see, the zigzag pattern in the middle and whatnot. So now I'm about to go ahead and crochet the hair in. Now, as for the hair, I got 2 packs of the Lulutress So Much Volume 2 Time Kinky 4B in the color 1B. My hair is not black and it's not completely brown. It's in the middle, 1B. So, this is what it looks like in the package. I know the wording will be backwards, but this is what it looks like in the package. It comes with like 2 bundles, and it's kind of like on a straw. Kind of like a straw set. I can't get it out. Hold on. There we go. Dropped on the floor. And the hair does come in a little knit. So I'm just going to take it out of the knit so I can show you guys what it looks like. So it's like really curly, if you guys can see that. I'm really up close. But yeah, really coily, like my hair. So that's what I was going for But yeah. And these are already like pre-looped, as you can see. I'm just gonna give one piece a go just to test it out. What did I do with it? And see how that does, because I don't like how thick that loop is. So I'm just gonna place it here. If I don't like it, I'll just undo it. Crochet here, it's so easy. And see, it's just a lot of hair to try to loop through here. So what I did was just twist it up to fit in that little loop. Alright, I actually got it through the hole. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna like it. I don't think, yeah, so I am going to separate these. So what I'm gonna do is cut this little band that they have tied around there. Boom. And I know by tearing apart, it's gonna make it fuzzy, but I wanna kind of go for a worn look already. And if you, I mean, that wasn't bad. That wasn't a bad tear apart. I mean, they're pretty much grouped pretty well. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna separate them and then install them. So I'm starting at the back of my head. Pull it through halfway, grab your loop. Oh God. I just want to make sure that, all right, there we go. Grab your loop, pull one arm of it through, and knot. And boom. So I'm gonna do that same method all the way around the perimeter, and then I'm just gonna go with the regular crochet method through the middle. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm finished, and I keep looking at myself, can't help it. Okay. And I'm finished, and I really do like it. So my initial plan was to cut it, but I really like it this length. I like how, yeah, it just blends perfectly, as you guys can see. And it's really lightweight, and it's definitely, I just love the texture of it. I can't wait for my own actual hair to get this long, so that way I won't have to keep putting weaves in it. But until then, I'll be buying this Lulutress for $6.99 at my local beauty supply store. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving the look. I can't wait to like really dress up. I had to put me on some eyebrows and some mascara and some eyeliner so I can get a little bit of the effect. But I can't wait to wear some hoop earrings with this. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me shit, okay? Not a motherfucking thing. But yeah, so let me show you what I did. So around the perimeter, you know, I did the method that I showed you first, where you just pull it through and only loop one arm through. And then throughout the middle, you know, I just did the regular crochet. I have a previous video of crochet here, and I can show you, that shows you the method of how to crochet. This was just like a real quick video. I didn't know I was going to be doing all of this. And I can even wear it like, y'all. What's this? Wait until it's like another color. Like if it was like like a blonde color, or maybe auburn, or maybe like a burgundy color, or what? I love it. And they also have different textures. So they have like, because this is a 4B, so this is close to my hair texture. 4B, I'm like 4B, 4C. They do have 4B, they have 3B, 3C, 2A. You know, they have different curl types. So anything that fits your style, go ahead and, you know, just go with it. But yeah, I'm definitely going to try this hair out again. I am going to, you know, wear this for a few days and give you guys an update as well on my Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you already don't, at Elljanae, ELLEJANAE. So yeah. I will post everything I used, equipment needed, and the hair as well. I got it from my local beauty supply store, but I think they sell it online as well. So I will definitely post a link. If it's not in your area, you can just order it online. Boom. So I will be doing that as well. But yeah, I'm loving it. It's cute. Ooh. Yeah, I cannot wait to dress this up, y'all. It's gonna be easy for me to work out in. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you love it, definitely definitely give it a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any requests of any more videos that you would like to see from me. Also, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when a new video is posted. Also, follow me on Instagram at Elljanae. So yeah, until next time, y'all. Deuces.